of stuck right here. So this guy's about to tow me up and hopefully I can make it up.
Hey, we're gonna give you a push-up.
All right, perfect. Yep, so there we go. Life of a Hellcat owner. So, I feel bad. This dude's over here trying to get in. Right there, he's trying to get in to get his oil changed, but they told me try it anyway, so I was like, all right, I mean, might as well try it. So, tried it, but did not work, so now I'm about to just get towed up, I guess. You good? Oh god, yeah, he just. Alright, so about to put these winter tires on. I don't get stuck again. These tires are through. Yeah, they're dunzos. Alright. So finally got the winter tires on. So you got the regular ones back there. Excuse me, that was a pain. But I got stuck on the little thing when I pulled in. I like went up and I like drifted and their dude was like, whoa. But yeah, shout out to those two dudes at Magpie Oil Change. They switched my rims for me for the low. But yeah, now I'm driving. I hope my finger wasn't covering it. But yeah, this little snowstorm. Driving now, let's see how the car does with these winter tires. Hopefully they do pretty well, but if not, it is what it is. Hopefully I just don't get stuck again. But I'm doing pretty good so far. I feel so much better with these rims on. So when I get out, I'm gonna show you all what it looks like with my spare set of rims. I don't know if it's just me, but these tires look so goofy on the back. They just look smaller for some reason. I think they are, yeah. You see that? How they don't go out as much? I think it's because these are 9.9s and these are probably 9.5s. But whatever the case is, got those on the back, got these in the front. Finally got those snow tires on so I can get back to the crib. Yeah, you can see how, look at this amount of snow right here. This is a driveway for someone else. Look at their driveway, it's packed, no cap. But yeah, let's get home now.